Hello and welcome to MarineMax of Westbrook. My name is Fred Aberley and today we're going to do a walkthrough of a Boston Whaler 285 Conquest. This vessel is powered by twin Mercury 225 horsepower Verado motors. The boat is piloted at the helm with a joystick control which makes docking very easy. On the sides of the cockpit is enclosed glass, keeping you completely out of the elements while allowing for fresh air to flow through a wind dam. The boat also has a generator and air conditioning. Down below, the Conquest is designed for the overnight or weekender. There's sleeping accommodations for 4 down below, a large head and galley, which includes a microwave and a refrigerator. For the fishermen, the Conquest enables you to go offshore for longer periods of time. This boat has outside here also a refrigerator, sink head up, storage, and plenty of room to fish all day long as much as you wish, including 2 live bait wells. Also for entertaining, the Shore Shade product comes out and allows you to stay outside in the elements a bit more than you would on a normal setup of a boat that doesn't offer as much shade. So please come see us. We're located at 627 Boston Post Road in Westbrook, Connecticut. MarineMax at 860-399-5581. Thanks for watching.